Jeep. See, this is very nice pink, yellow and green color combination with Feluder. This is very nice red and black color also. Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have a new empty bucket here. See, this is very nice bucket. So today this one is my collecting bucket, and now I will collect some toy vehicles in this place. So wasting any more time, let's go. What is this? See friend, what is this in the jungle? Oh no, this is a helicopter. Wow, this is red and yellow color combination. Nice helicopter. See friend, this is very nice. Wow. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And next one. Oh, I see my next toy. See, this is a top new racing bike. This is very nice red and black color combination. So I collect this one here. Yes, I see my next toy. Wow, this is a four-wheeler cartoony Jeep. See, this is very nice cartoony Jeep, black and blue color combination. Wow. Oh, what is this? Friends, see, what is this? Wow, this is a girl bike with a baby girl. See, this is red and yellow color combination, baby girl with a bike. Oh, friends, I see another one. This is a cartoony police car. See, this is many other color combination cartoony police car. That is a paste pink, yellow and green color combination. So I collect this one at my bucket. And next one. Oh yes, I see my next toy. Wow, this is very nice cartoony Jeep. See, this four-wheeler Jeep, this is pink, yellow and green color combination. So I collect this one here. Yes, I see. See friend, this is a elephant car. Wow, this is very nice elephant car here. See, this is very nice. And next one. Wow, one more here. This is a baby trolley with a girl. See friend, this is very nice baby trolley with a girl. So I collect this one here. And next one. Oh no, this is a two combination lorry. See, there is a backhoe with Feluder. See, this is very nice and beautiful. And next one. Oh no, next one is a animal truck. See, this is red, pink and black color combination animal truck. So I collect this one here. And next one, next one, next one. Oh, this is my next one toy is R17 high-speed bike. It's very nice red and black color combination. See, you see this one many places, so I collect this one here. Oh, one more vehicle here. This is a air bus. Wow, there is many color combination. Air bus is very nice. Oh, one more R17 high-speed bike. See, this is very nice red and black color also. And next one. Oh, I see my next one toy is a music gun. See, this is white and red color combination music gun is very nice. So I collect this one here. And this is my last toy is a Shiba cycle. Is very nice plastic toy, but this is a realistic model, is very nice yellow and black color combination. So I collect this one at my bucket here. So friends, all of these vehicles collect from the jungle. So friends, my bucket is fulfilled with toys. All of these toys one by one collect and introduced with you, and now I will see all of these vehicles together. See friend, wow, there is many toys. See, I hope you like this video, and if you see another more like this video, subscribe my channel, and see you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.